This is part 2 of the 4th tutorial on how to use Alienbrain. Just a couple things I forgot to show you guys that I just thought about. Alienbrain is so deep, so you will kind of just be like, man, like, this has a lot of features. But anyway, it just show you how to check in a file. So in order to check in a file, I can do one of two things. I can go to here and I go to check in. It says check files in the project database. I can say blah, but it will not really make a difference because it doesn't know what file. You'll pretty much be checking nothing. Main thing to do is take, like, this is a stillborn template I've been working on, drag it into the bodies area, and then you comment on it because it knows now what file it's gonna import into Alienbrain. And I can just say basic stillborn template, and I can check it out immediately right when I upload it, but I'm not gonna do that. Just show you guys it. And there you go, it's importing the file. Takes a second. That's a second. Well, anyway, there we go. And version 1.1, as I said in the previous tutorial, when you comment on that file you upload, it's a version comment, and then it'll give you the first iteration, 1.1, that it's the new, first version. I go to this, and looks like it didn't show me the render of it well. That looks pretty bad, but you guys get the point. Most models I think it's picky with, but I think I have been having issues with that model. It's probably gone to show. But another thing is the quick search. This, I can right click this little magnifying glass, and I have plenty of features I can do. My checked out files, files where I was the last user, my local important files, my local unimportant files and folders, which are on your virtual drive, files and folders only on the server, files newer on the server, files were local and newer version differ, files assigned to me, my files waiting modification, my files that are overdue, aside files. So it's kind of like, on the task hopper, we have these tasks, but now they're just assigned to files, or you can just do a manual search for those files. Standard, I was looking for logos last, and I could type in 3D, and you can get very, very anal about it. Files and folders change on the server within the last 1 day. The reason why it says 1 day is that's how long the server's been up. It's really been up for a week or 4 or 5 days. But I had to uninstall it and reinstall it to fix that error I was having with the configuration service. I'm sorry. So it's only 1 day, but obviously when time goes on, we could go back in time and look at changes in files and folders over a period of time. So if there's always an old version you want to check out, you can. Or you can get real advanced with it. The due date, type the date it was due, before, between, since, what date, check in and out, imported, regular expression, all kinds of stuff. It's just ridiculous search. Search, you can do the most recent, all folders in the file name, created at, where it was created, within the last year, within the past years, specific dates. It's insane. It's like it's a very anal search process. I think that was it. The man's workflow, I kind of went over what workflow is. You can kind of look, I already got some users in this. You could say item due date is 3/17, whatever. Comment on, whatever file, what's the workflow profile, like when is it going to be finished. And that was it. I just had to get that out because when I saw that, I'm like, oh wow, they don't really know about the search features. Branching manager, not too into this. This is kind of like a way to branch everything, I guess. and it doesn't look too appealing. So hopefully I find out more about that and give you guys more guidance. But that's it. I just want to cover that area. Alright? Thanks.